Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to check internet speed in laptop. Whether you are troubleshooting slow connections or just curious about your current speeds, we have got you covered. So let's start the video. The easiest way to check your internet speed in Windows 11, Windows 10 or MacBook is by using a web browser. Open your preferred web browser. We are using Google Chrome and type in speedtest.net and press enter. I have given the link in the video description, so once it's loaded, click on the Go button. This website will now analyze your internet connection and display your download and upload speeds. You can also check other details like ping and server location for a more comprehensive view of your connection. As you can see, our current download and upload speed is around 8 megabytes and 90 megabytes per second, so that's how to check internet speed in laptop using Windows or Mac OS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more useful videos.